In a city as huge and bustling as Jakarta, finding the right place to live, well, it's about so much more than just four walls, isn't it? It's really about finding the right lifestyle. So today, we're going to dive deep into the premiere series by Oak Tower and see if it really delivers on its promise of modern, connected city living. So if that's you, if you're the one looking for that perfect mix of modern comfort and easy connectivity right in the heart of Jakarta, you're going to want to stick around. We're about to break down exactly what this property has to offer and see if it could be the answer you've been searching for. Okay, so here's our game plan. First, we'll give you a proper welcome to the premiere. Then, we'll take a peek inside one of the units. After that, we're exploring all the lifestyle perks, digging into the super strategic location, and finally, we'll crunch the numbers so you understand the investment side of things. All right, let's kick things off. Section 1. Welcome to the premiere. So what's the big idea here? It's all about a modern concept for urban living, a space that's really built from the ground up for how we live in the city today. So what is the premiere series when you boil it all down? It's really two key things. First, it's a high-end apartment with all the modern comforts you'd expect. And second, it's all about its location, giving you incredible access to pretty much the best of what Jakarta has to offer. Let's see how they pull that off. Okay, now for the fun part. Let's step inside your potential new unit. The goal here isn't just to give you an apartment, it's to create what they call a private sanctuary. A place where you can genuinely escape all the hustle and bustle of the city. Let's get into the specs for a standard two-bedroom unit. You're looking at 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, and then, of course, a family room and a kitchen. But the key number to focus on here is the total space, 42 square meters. Now, 42 square meters. You might think that doesn't sound massive, and you'd be right. But that's where smart design comes in. The whole focus is on making every single inch functional, comfortable, and well-designed. It's a space that seems perfectly tailored for young professionals or maybe a small family just getting started. All right, we've seen the inside, but what happens when you step out your front door? The whole idea here is that your home doesn't end at your doorstep. The entire building is an extension of your living space. And first things first, and this is a big one, security. Peace of mind is the foundation, right? So you've got security guards on duty 24/7, CCTV keeping an eye on all the common areas, and a one-gate system to control access. It's all about creating this secure and private bubble for everyone living there. But it's not just about feeling safe, it's about living well. And look at this focus on a balanced life. You've got the swimming pool and an outdoor gym to stay active, but just as important, you've got a park and a playground. Places to just unwind, relax, and spend time with family. It's not just about living here, it's about making sure you can actually thrive here. And that sense of a complete lifestyle extends to community and, honestly, just plain old convenience. Having an on-site mosque is incredibly thoughtful. And then you have these practical touches like 24/7 access and a nice, wide roadway that just make daily life that much smoother. Now, all those amenities are fantastic, right? But they don't mean a whole lot if you're stuck in the middle of nowhere. This next part is all about the power of a strategic location. Let's look at the actual travel times to some key spots. Okay, check this out. 3 minutes. That's all it takes to get to the Pulomas LRT station. Now, for anyone who wants to beat Jakarta's crazy traffic, having public transport that close is an absolute game changer. And what about your downtime? Or when you need to travel? Well, you're only 5 minutes away from Bella Mall for shopping and a bite to eat, and you're also just 5 minutes from the Pulau terminal, which is a major hub for getting out of the city. Now, this is one of those things you hope you never need, but wow, is it important to have it close. We're talking top-notch healthcare. The RSC-MC Pulomas Hospital is just 7 minutes away. That's some serious peace of mind right there. And to round it all out, whether you're heading to class or hitting the open road, you're only 12 minutes from the State University of Jakarta and the entrance to the Cakung toll gate. When you add it all up, the word that comes to mind is central. Undeniably central. Okay, so the lifestyle is there, the location is absolutely spot on. But now for the big question, right? Let's talk money. Let's get practical and really understand the numbers, looking at this not just as a home, but as a smart investment. All right, so what's the bottom line? For a 2-bedroom unit over in Tower B, you're looking at a price range that starts at 868 million and goes up to just over 1 billion rupiah. That's the all-in number to get your foot in the door. But I know that's a big number, so let's break it down into something a little more manageable, the monthly payment. If you're looking at a pretty standard 15-year mortgage, the estimate starts at around 6 million rupiah a month. And for those of you who really like to compare properties, apples to apples, here's the key metric. The starting price per square meter comes in at 20.7 million rupiah. That's a really important number when you're sizing up the value against other places in Jakarta. To kind of wrap it all up, this quote from the developers really hits the nail on the head. It says, the Premier series is an ideal choice for people who want that modern lifestyle combined with super easy access to everything important in Jakarta. And from what we've seen, that sounds about right. So there you have it, the lifestyle, the location, and a clear look at the numbers. We've pretty much covered it all, which really just leaves one last question. And this one's for you to think about. Could this be the key to unlocking your ideal life here in Jakarta?